Good morning, everyone. My name is Giorgos, and today we are going to learn the Greek articles. So, the Greek articles have two categories in Greek. We have the definite article, like the English, and we have the indefinite article. So, the definite articles here in Greece are oristiko arthro, to oristiko arthro, and these are oito, O for masculine, E for feminine, to for neutral. For example, το παιδί της μαμάς. Το παιδί, παιδί is a neutral noun. So it's going to have the neutral article. Το παιδί. Λοιπόν, so the definite articles, we use them when we want to speak about something specific. Okay. From the other hand, the indefinite articles, we use them when we want to speak about something that is unspecific. The definite article in Greek is το aoristo arthro. Okay, το aoristo arthro. Here it is. And these articles are ένας, μία, ένα. In English, they are translated as a, I'm sorry, a, and an. Okay, and the definite articles translated as the. So the indefinite articles, ένας, μία, ένα. Ένας for masculine, μία for feminine, and ένα for neutral. For example, ένα παιδί της μαμάς. So, ένα παιδί, again, the same example with the definite article, παιδί is neutral. So we are going to use the neutral indefinite article, ένα. Okay. So now we need to understand the meaning of these two sentences. The one sentence with το παιδί της μαμάς, when you have the definite article, the meaning changes. You speak about a specific child of moms, okay? But when you speak about ένα παιδί της μαμάς, the meaning is changing also. You are speaking about a child of mom. You don't know this child, it's an unspecific. It's unspecific. Okay, this is the grammar theory for today, you guys. I hope you like it. It's very basic, but it's the beginning. I think it will help you. And thank you for you have seen me here. And if you want to know more, you can contact me and we can have our Greek lessons. Bye.